I know there are many investors right now, they are panicking, they are worried that the Dogeday, the excitement day 420 is actually flop, okay? I'm totally sorry because we all try our best, guys. As the community, we excite on the Dogeday, we plan everything out, and finally it flopped. I totally understand where you guys came from, and you guys are panicking, you guys worried, you guys freaked out because I don't know what happened. It could be during that day, I heard the big wealth sell millions of coin, and which has caused the price to go down, and finally a lot of traders, they take out and they worry, they're panicking, and they short sell, whatever the reason is. But today I want to give you guys a news perspective of why Dogeday 420 is flop. It could be a really good thing, and let me explain for you why. Do you guys remember during the time when Elon Musk, the man Elon Musk, he said this. Elon Musk say, you guys will have my full support if the big whale, which is the whale that just sell millions and millions of coin every 15 minutes or 1 hour. Why this is the good news? He say that, Elon say that, you guys will have my full support if the big whale sell a lot of their coin. And guess what happened? One of the whale is already sell a lot of the coin. I think one of the reasons why Elon, he really saying this and he really believe into this thing is, remember guys, in order for those coins to become the global currency, which is I say right here, those coins right now, the big catalyst is already happened is the people global currency is on the process to become it already. What happened is right now more people have access into the Dogecoin. The whale selling it out. That means right now more people are jumping in to buy Dogecoin either at a higher price or the medium price or even the low price. The idea in here is more people in many different platforms have access into Dogecoin. They believe into it, and the next stage they probably will try to use Dogecoin. And I think this is what Elon Musk try to do, right? And this is his hope that it will happen, and it's already happened. Because the idea of Dogecoin is to put the power back into your hand, is to give ordinary people like you and I to have the opportunity to create it wealth, right? This is the best time ever, guys. Like Dogecoin, I think is one of the best cryptocurrency that it gives you the power, ordinary people the power to become extraordinary. And Elon Musk, he know that, and he want Dogecoin to get it out there to more people. So that's the first thing it happened right now. And because of the whale sell million of coin, and many people, they are panicking because the whale sell. For me, I think is a great idea. It's a perfect timing. People are aware of it. Now, here's the second thing, guys. This is the thing that I've been waiting for, and it's already happened. I say it so many times in my previous video. I say it's just the matter of time, and it's happening. Guess what happened? Big trading broker, big trading platform purchased Dogecoin. Why? Because WEBULL just put in Dogecoin. So that means you guys can have access to Dogecoin, right? And WEBULL have a lot of users, guys. Be patient. It's just the matter of time before Dogecoin have another spike. So imagine if WEBULL put in Dogecoin, guess what happened? They probably already buy billions of Dogecoin already, I suspect, okay? I don't know who, but it probably had to be WEBULL because they buy Dogecoin for the people. If somebody, if individual buy Dogecoin, billions of coin, that may be a problem. But if WEBULL, if trading platform buy in Dogecoin, that could be a good thing because now it's created accessibility to more people to have Dogecoin, guys. So be patient. Now, I'm talking about COINBASE. There is a possibility in the next week, next month, or they may already purchase now. I don't know. But the idea in here is I suspect or I predict that COINBASE could add Dogecoin very soon onto their platform. They probably already purchased or maybe consider to purchase Dogecoin very, very soon, because they have to have Dogecoin and they put into their platform to have more access to the people. So if WEBULL put in Dogecoin, what makes you think Coinbase will not put in Dogecoin very soon when the popularity, the demand is so much right now for Dogecoin, and Robinhood already put in Dogecoin. So I think Coinbase right now is a little bit late to the party, but they will soon add. And when that happens, guys, guess what happened? Dogecoin highlighted will spike again, and this time they will spike even higher because more people have access to Dogecoin. And like I say, right, over 3 billion Dogecoin has been purchased recently. So now you guys are panicking, you guys worried because this big whale selling millions of coin. And you guys think that the coin gonna go down to 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, 6 cents. That is nothing. They only sell millions of coin. But now, those are the people that selling the coin to the people, and people have access to it. Isn't that, it's a good thing. But what you guys don't consider right now is all this big guy, this platform, WEBULL, Coinbase, right? They are purchased Dogecoin, right? So that means now more people can have access to it. That is the good news, guys. Why you guys don't pay attention to the good news, right? Look deeper and deeper for the good news instead of looking on the surface only. So now, the next exciting, you guys ready? All right, let me show you the third thing that many people haven't thought of. You know what? Of all this thing happening right now around the world for Dogecoin, it's built a strong support line. It's created a lot of momentum for Dogecoin. More than ever, guys. Come on, get the energy up. More than ever. Dogecoin was around 3 cents, 4 cents, and 5 cents for the longest time. And after that, within 2 or 3 months, it's bam, go all the way up to 40 something cents, and now it dropped down to 30 cents. You haven't really seen Dogecoin get back down to 20 cents yet. So why do you panic? Now Dogecoin have a very strong support line, and WEBULL and some of these big trading platforms are about to put in Dogecoin. So I don't really see, okay, I personally don't really see. ThinkSmartBrother personally don't really see of how Dogecoin can drop down back to 10 cents or 5 cents. If it's really happen, I will purchase a lot more in, okay? So right now, if you got noticed this, more serious investor and believer into Dogecoin more than ever. Think of it like 3 to 5 months ago. So many doubters, so many non-believers. They say, Dogecoin is a crappy coin, it's a suck coin, it's a joke coin, it's a meme coin, whatever it is. But now the same people start to believe into Dogecoin, right? Think about this. I always say this thing all the time. Whether you hate me or you love me, then you still know about me. So Dogecoin, they have the people that love them, and they also have the hater that talk about them, which is getting more awareness. You don't see any other coin out there have that particular factor, right? And eventually those hater will become a lover eventually, okay? When they see Dogecoin spike, okay? So now I say the day trader become more serious, and they hold into Dogecoin more because of FOMO. They scared of missing out. The people that buy low at the dip, and they wait until it go up, and they sell high, and buy low, sell high. And now some of those people, right, they worry that Dogecoin gonna have another spike, so they hold more into it. And they see the vision slowly of the Dogecoin. And that is the problem. Last time, it stayed at 5 cents for a long time because of those people, right? They spike the 6 cents they sell. But now, they are scared, they're aware, so which is a good thing, guys. The long-term investor like you and me, we are more confident, we hold more into Dogecoin, we saw the future of Dogecoin. Why? Because the corporation guy, they are aware of Dogecoin. I'm talking about the TV, television, the Wall Street. I'm going to work out, and I saw on the TV, they was compared Dogecoin with Bitcoin, guy. Never ever before they compared Dogecoin and Bitcoin, and they didn't even talk about Dogecoin have the market cap even more than 4. That is a good thing. Attention equal to money, and Dogecoin deserve that attention. And guess what happened? Corporation, Slim Jim is a multi-million-dollar company. Sneaker put in Dogecoin, right? They put Dogecoin at the brand awareness. And New A is the electronic, computers online, and they put in Dogecoin already. Do you see something happen over here? corporation, small business, online, and brand, they start to put in Dogecoin because they know it's the future. Why would they put in Dogecoin where they don't see the awareness, where they don't see the benefit? Corporation would not put into something when they think it's a joke and they don't have the awareness. Those people they put in, and BitPay put in Dogecoin already, guys. So here's what I see in the future for Dogecoin. Imagine Amazon right now, they have nearly 1 million petition of people demand for Amazon to put in. I say it's just the matter of time for Amazon to put in Dogecoin as the payment for the transaction because of low fee, convenient, it is fast. I really see as the community of Dogecoin, you and I, and Dogecoin community become really, really big. It become popular eventually like Bitcoin. That eventually, I really see Amazon right now. I think Amazon right now, they watching us. They watching the community. They watching the demand. As long as the demand is there, as long as the social proof is there, Amazon, I really see eventually that will put in Dogecoin in very, very, very soon. Okay, and after Amazon put in, Apple Pay put in, and after that, Apple Pay put in, Square, PayPal, Stripe, Shopify put in to allow more merchant online to integrate Dogecoin. Bam! Game over. During that time, I really see Dogecoin gonna skyrocket to the moon or to the Mars, guys. And I really see the future for Dogecoin is really bright. And I share this information to you guys so you guys can look deeper further for the future of Dogecoin. And together we can make Dogecoin to become the currency of the planet. And like I say, this video is give you the information that you need to make your best decision. I don't make the decision for you. You make your own decision. And whatever decision that you make, respect your decision, be responsible for your decision, and make that the best thing for you ever, guys. And invest like a genius.